All right, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I speak English and I understand also English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your
Yes,
body?
yes, ma'am. I'm healthy.
Okay, wait So are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am. No have issue in my body.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I try to experience to work in Malaysia, ma'am, and we have the nice view there in the Malaysia.
Alright, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
By the way, my name is Marisa Lee, 39 years old. My height is 5'6". My weight is 63. I have three kids, one boy and two girl. The eldest is boy, 21 years old, 17, and 10 years old.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. So you are separated. You are a single mother right
Yes,
now.
yes.
Do you have live-in partner or somehow you have your boyfriend?
No, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
September 10, 1986.
It's not December
September, ma'am.
because in your profile it's December. So September 10,
1986.
1986. Your birthday, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so what is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What is your educational background?
Uh, Computer science, ma'am. Bachelor of Computer Science.
You
Third
graduate.
year, not yet, ma'am. Third year, second sem.
Oh, it's a waste. You didn't finish.
Yes,
It's a one more
one
year to go.
1 year.
Right, okay. So who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am,
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
60, ma'am, and her occupation is housewife only, ma'am.
What about your father?
We separated also my father and mother.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Three sister only, ma'am. Me youngest, and the second there in 39 years old, and the eldest is already died.
All right. So your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in which country do you have your first working experience as a domestic helper?
In Hong Kong, ma'am.
Hong Kong. How many years you work there?
I work in 6 years, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
2019 and 2025, ma'am.
All right. What month in 2019 and what month in 2025?
2019 is February, and then 2025 is June.
All right. So, what is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in Hong Kong?
Take good care of the children, take a bath, and send her in the school, and I feed her if she want to eat, and I also I sleep with her at night.
All right. You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, and you take care of children or one child only.
I do also that one, but I have we have two.
So you have companion inside the house.
Yeah.
So you are flexible inside the house, and how many children you take care?
One only, mom.
How old the child again?
9 months, mom.
9 months. So when you started working to your previous employer in Hong Kong, the baby is or the kid is still 9 months.
Yes, mom.
All right. So what happened? Why you leave your previous employer in Hong Kong? You've been working there for 6 years. What decided you to go back home in the Philippines and not to renew your contract?
Because mom, my employer is like to relocate in China. That's why I forced to go home and finish my contract also, mom.
All right. So after 2025 until recently, you didn't have any work. You are a full-time mother.
Yes, mom. Mm-mm.
All right. So you know that working here in Malaysia is quite different in Hong Kong. Okay? You need to expect those
What, mom?
working here in Malaysia is quite different in Hong Kong. You need to expect
Yes,
those
mom.
unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Hong Kong. Malaysia
Okay.
houses here is very big one. Houses and employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, mom. I read you.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same
Yes,
time?
yes, mom.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, mom.
Can you cook?
Yes, mom.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and
Yes.
disabled person? Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
The dog only, mom.
So are you okay? Yes or no?
Yes, mom. Okay.
This is a 2 years contract, all right? It's not new for you
Okay.
to work as a domestic helper, and mostly the contract is a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family, or you cannot handle your job anymore, or you don't like the employer. Okay? Rest assured that you
Okay.
have a 2 years contract, and you know that once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Okay, mom.
Are you
Yes, mom.
aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, mom. I aware, mom.
You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but rather than you can hold it during night time only. After
Okay.
you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going
Okay,
to
mom.
stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, mom. I agree, mom.
We don't force people to come here, as I have mentioned many times. All right, you have your choices, you have your options, but if you agree you can come work properly, don't give us problem. But if you really disagree about our terms and conditions, better stay in the Philippines. Don't force yourself to come here, otherwise later problem. Okay?
Okay, mom.
In Philippines, we can be the boss there, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. Or in any other countries. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, mom.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness? Like, for example, if you miss your family, of course, you've been in Hong Kong for almost 6 years or 7 years, but still, there was still some time that homesickness strikes us anytime and anywhere. How do you handle it?
I focus to my work, mom, and if we have a child, my employer, I play with her and teach her how to to play. That's all, mom. And then later, if I finish my work before I use my mobile,
I
my
think that's
phone.
all for now. Thank you for your time, Marizel. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Thank you, mom.
connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, okay,
Thank
mom.
you
Thank you
so
very
much and have a good day.